Yada Apostle Dr. Nita Kote Gwase ni nkwanshan sama wode abreye. Mayem wachi bi mu akwa Abamra Adom TV Badwam dwumadi so. De edu so no ye Badwam kase nsam no ne obeti wo so bi eni. Ene ya me kase adehye ya wo mo yamfo brakese. Won mo ate denne fise ne sumadu won pa na so ne ya besiesie ye de honsam no ebebro na afi yakọ akwase kokọ akuafo na ene won mu sun no. If you say galamse fui ese one mo no baye no koko abana won mu dua no wo se no eno ne nsem bi na no pay me bro Adom TV Badwam kase a wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 oko YouTube Adom TV 2 kwadomonline.com ensem weni nsem bebre so ewo ho medi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMTA said ensem ni chemu ankasa etie adehye ya wo mo yamfo brakese wotano north mansino emuno ene ya tadwo ate denne ifisenda esum adu won mo pa nenso netco ene PRC mpenufo do wano batu muntene ne esum no everyone so Adom kase etosui
you see eyo omo be hwe no mo jitu mu se ampa community no growing day by day into demand na den akoso into mo per transform mo edu kakra e de Badwam ebe de ye ka say ya be community for no o magye atum se nyema I improve nyema I much better abo mo kanya no ejina so pepepe ye ba be community for no yesa ye two community no for say enye obi akeke na mama no kwan akọ transformer no mu ade ne sa akọ kanka sebe community na motimu no mo community into bidu koso na se enya esam make sure se mbe stop it
wachi ye no wonu mati sakro no mu penso so di sankomo yi
no kre we fi be mienu comments ani am say that since no problem be e dey no e beti manya of 3 times a day we all cry but that soon cry man dey ati am say monday transform a new wine by am say sa how no say say dia go so no some critical effort be na eba was na assign up.
My bear is for about 3 years now, and bear 2 years a day the lighting system no ewahano enye kra half current enkwa sometimes embakra, but now there I think say situation now is alright.
Koko akuafo ya wo mo akwase wo Brim North Mansimu wo poyemantemu ehudele won na ni nyina no eye galamsefo a won ababaje won sase na boso nti koko mana won di chef mu nyina won mo se no wo de ato Adom TV kase anim sempenifo enwa wo
tenimom ababe se nezro a ye de bedua koko awa akuase so far yenim unit committee wo krom ha asammanfo wo krom ha yentimi nkyere se ye galamse wura no na se obetima asizi akuafo adwuma de ampanifo modawroma momma galamse no enstopo na kuya no mbom beboa Ghana chen galamse no
enti sesi ya mekasa bia mekasa ni bere so se minister wo hwe sa asasesem so no se wa ma amehwe sa akuase ba bia ye galamse na no kura nim nyame anim nie ebeduru brem ya kasa de mra ba hye yansam efi se akola bia tonsuo ma wo ho pen ana obi so light bia wo de atwi nsuo kɔ ho obi so akwa akotia so ama no so light na hwokoro nyame nko anka owi ye ntra ho ma obi nwu bio enti ne ya ye kasai se mpanfo aso te na se bedi be na wotwe na so mo ma bia hwe e ma sa galamse no mo ye no o mo nja ya kasa de mra ba hye yansam aye de epe efie pe nye se bia ye nko aye fie o efie bebre ben ho ti chese ewo kuro ni fifiri ankasa
Emagunu ko bia yesuso se won ye ndc fo na wo bawramu call forestry commission officer wo enchi awowi Mansimu wo Western North Mantamu ne munchemu no panina wono eneda division no ano Felix Ansia edin semi etudwa
ewa ha na nkufukuru bi ebae na nemiti na dede amepie kutim na ndc fo na ebae na omo amane no se o mati se ye interview ewa hanom no ye ba fankofo na metro mo se o bibisa ni ho interview de ye interview se ye interview kura na ye ba fankofo kura MC no aware ana ebia external personnel bi nso so bɛka ho me kan kura me district manager enni hanom no a meka say meetime aye interview intini minima no say bibisa nkoso na ne ewo ho enti ewo no ma ya kabia na omo se omo ntiase ana omo akotu ye office no mu ede omo ayiki no na omo atum na omo de ndua abresi no na omo lock ye pie enti eba asa no na say ye nso ye mo police for asuti enti
waban no hyehyɛ yi a wɔyɛ sem from Eja gas nso ɔman Ghana mu yɛbɛgyina mu die pa ho kwatwe nom ne ade nti ne wapaw committee ya wɔn mo bɛhwɛ sɛ yɛbɛnya gas processing plant ne ɛto so emienu foforo Adom kaseɛ ɛto aso yi.
One of the ways is to address the fuel challenge confronting us as a country. Currently, we have a gas deficit of about 100 MMscf. And so we are compelled to buy very expensive liquid fuels to fill that gap. It's in the light of this that government is taking a bold decision that we construct our own second gas processing plant that can give us savings of close to $500 million every year.
Atofo senga yeswafo a wo men sikasem so wode ato abidwoku a watie no animu se omomoden ase obeye adwuma na aboa ama botaye esi wono mo ani so no watumi adru ho se de beye a omen yi akasa ebetumi enya jaframa bebre ya ema se obekwa akodan obia.
We need to have a second gas processing plant as soon as possible, and I believe that the technical committee will be able to finish their work in time for us to commission a contractor or a business to be able to build the second gas processing plant. It is so important for our country, so important for our welfare, and so important for the economy to run. And so I want to use this opportunity to thank you for your leadership and to thank the committee members there that we are inaugurating them here, and also to urge them that please, enough of the bureaucracy. Let's get to work.
Osofo ya wo hwe nwumasua so e de atudwa se SD Dombo University wono mo enkawa komanto yem na ban no ene gitek aka wo ho abomu se wo manyina mo nkane ya ho nsama ye dadwere eka eda wono mo eso no ombehwe na wo yidi afri ho ene wono mate governing council amasuapon no e no de nsemi atudwa.
So aware that you have some outstanding ECG legacy debt, or try and work with the Ghana Tertiary Education Commission. I see Sanusi represented here to offset the burden of that debt, your legacy debt. And then this year, I've requested that GET Fund will support you through GTEC and through the Ministry of Education to at least complete one of your GET Fund projects.
Dr. Benjamin Kumbuo, Governing Council Chair, washabo se abudwokuyi ebe wono mu adwuma said ye wahye wono mu no.
When I travel to work every time I go onto that campus, and it is sometimes heartbreaking to see what the previous NDC government did, and most of those buildings are still standing idle. So if we can move beyond the one that we are assured of and get another one in the next budget cycle, another one in the third budget cycle, and even another one in the election year for election purposes, I think we should be able to get there. We, on our part, would also try a number of private initiatives and see how the local community of the region would also encourage and make their own contribution to develop the university.
Adom Kasia betimi akasi embo se acting chief executive officer Eda Ghana Gold Board Samijemfi and Chief Justice chief of staff Atone Nsade Afreno wo aban atena ye kese efa video na monten se ode dollars kai bia ma evangelist Patricia Siedua Asiama dodo na nim no Nana Agrada.
Yedin kan Badwam ne chief of staff eto ne nsa efre Sami Jamfi a wo hwe chief executive officer e Ghana Gold Board ano so meyi ensem a efa kasafonyini ababeto abefo ntentan so a na ohunu se wo ma evangelist Patricia Sedu Asiama wo friend Nana Agrada no dollars ebra wokohia chief of staff no wonu mu nhyiamu a wo yeye no enya de se mu nsem ababeto dwade nanso osusu se enema bia wo kodwendwene ho eye kwan a obefa so na saa mfonyini ebeto abefo ntentan so no wahunu de nam supportinti a ema eba ne sa esan se mampanyi John Dramani Mahama ewo African Union Debt Conference bi a wonom eye ewo Lometogo nti wo hwe de mu kwan se wo ba beduru o man mu a enkomodi ekoso ewo chief of staff ene Sami Jamfi entemu no chief of staff ede nyina ebeto mampanyi anim
enti wasan komo we mu no kukuma wo mrahye bedwafie mu se wo se yehwehwe mu ehwe baby a Sami Jamfi nya dollars no efri.
The casual distribution of foreign currency by a high-ranking official sends a message of indifference to the struggle of ordinary Ghanaians. The Bank of Ghana has constantly reminded us through various notices that pricing, advertising, receipting, or making payment for goods and services in foreign currency without authorization from the Bank of Ghana is illegal. The penalties for such violation includes a fine of up to 700 penalty units or a prison term of not more than 18 months or both. In other words, this is the prescribed penalty for anyone doing businesses with currency in Ghana or foreign currency without authorization from the Bank of Ghana. And from our checks, Mr. Jamfi has not got authorization from the Bank of Ghana to do business with foreign currency. The immediate sanctioning of Mr. Sami Jamfi as acting CEO of the Ghana Gold Board. Secondly, we are calling for a full-scale investigation into the source of the dollar bundle displayed in the viral video.
Maminya no Adom TV Badwam Kasia na hana bema kwan na no pay media siasa da ya odia. Emrani adaje a wode ma yenti. De adu so no ye de bon krata no ne online de. Tweye wadaroma ye kwaba.